Welcome back to the kitchen. How many people like bacon in the green beans? I have some rind-on bacon, and today we're going to put that in beans. I'm doing several different videos on canning green beans, showing a variety of ways that you can use them. We've done traditional canned, we've done dry canned, we've done green beans with potatoes, we've done green beans with kielbasa and potatoes, and there's going to be other videos that's going to be added later on. But today we're going to put the bacon in there. Be very careful not to touch the bacon on the rim of your jars, because that will prevent the jars from sealing. And we sure do not want to go to all this work and them not seal. So let me go wash the bacon off my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, my beans are washed and broken up. They were fresh picked yesterday. I'm going to mash these down in here just as far as what I can get them, because they are going to shrink. You'll notice I'm filling these very full. The reason behind that is I'm not going to add water to them. I've discovered something called dry canning, also known as rebel canning, but it's where you can veggies and you don't add additional water to them. And let me tell you folks, it's a wonderful flavor. It's the difference in, say, boiling veggies on top of the stove in water and putting veggies in the oven and roasting them. If this is not USDA approved, but our grandmothers didn't do everything that was that way either. They were canning way before all these rules and regulations came about. I've got my beans and my bacon in here. I've got my vinegar. Always, when you're canning with meat, be sure you use vinegar to wipe your lids off, or your lids of your jars. That way, just in case you have any meat residue on there, or grease or whatnot, it takes all that off. Normally, if I'm just doing veggies, I always wipe it off, but I usually use just water. But this way, we know it's good and clean, and this the little flat will seal on there. Okay, I'm just going to put the lids on there. What is it with me and cross-threading today? These lids are trying to beat me. They do not want to go on here. Maybe they've been used one time too many. I always use a new seal, a new flat, but the rings can be used over and over and over. Okay, I'm not putting any salt in here, and I'm not putting water in there, because it's a dry canning bean. Okay, you'll see what I'm talking about later. These beans were washed, and there's still just a little bit of water on there, plus there's moisture in the bean. And there's going to be some grease in that bacon that comes out. But I'm going to put them in my canner. And I'm going to bring it up to temperature. I'm going to let it vent for 10 minutes. And it's going to be processed on 10 pounds of weight for 90 minutes. Anytime you can meat, you need to go 90 minutes. regardless of whether it's cooked like it was in the kielbasa or whether it's raw. And if it's pints, it's 75 minutes. But for my family size, a pint just won't do it, folks. But let's get this counter turned on and get these beans done. Okay, folks, I've got the dry canned beans with the bacon in there. They've settled down quite a bit, but they always do that whenever you dry can, because the moisture comes out and it collects in the bottom of the jar. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And guys, we'll see you on the next video.